Dura swing gate motor. I just want to show you how to put the gate motor onto auto close and the timing for it. What you do is you undo your screws on the side here with Allen cap screws. Lift your cover off. Like I said, be very careful. And as you can see here, you got little dip switches here. If they are all down, your gate is not on auto close. As you can see, there's a red wire. It's an antenna. Just hang your antenna wire outside your gate motor. At least then you'll have good signal. When you press your remote button, as you can see here, you've got dip switches from 1 to 8. If you want to put your gate on 2, automatic close, and you want to keep it open for a certain time, number 6, dip switch has to be up. That is 10 seconds. Number 7, dip switch up will give you 30 seconds. And if you push number 8 up, you'll have 70 seconds. So you can basically just work out how much time you want the gate to stay open at